Right now, the universe is expanding. But what if one day, that expansion becomes so violent that it tears everything apart? This is not science fiction. This is a real scientific theory called the Big Rip, and it might be the actual fate of our universe. In this scenario, galaxies will be ripped apart, stars will explode, planets will be torn to pieces, and eventually, even atoms will be destroyed. So how does this happen? And more importantly, how likely is it? The Big Rip is a theory that suggests the universe will keep expanding faster and faster until it literally tears itself apart. This is caused by something called dark energy, a mysterious force that is pushing the universe apart. Unlike gravity, which pulls things together, dark energy pushes everything away from each other, and it's getting stronger. If dark energy keeps increasing, it will eventually overcome all the forces that hold matter together. Here's how the end would unfold, step by step. First, galaxies would be torn apart from each other as the space between them expands violently. Then, individual galaxies would rip apart. Stars would be pulled away from their galaxies. Next, solar systems would be destroyed. Planets would be ripped away from their stars. Eventually, even stars and planets themselves would be torn apart, ripped into atoms. And finally, in the last moments, even atoms would be torn apart as the expansion becomes stronger than the forces holding them together. So when could the Big Rip actually happen? Scientists have tried to calculate this. Current estimates suggest it could happen in roughly 22 billion years from now. But this number is very uncertain. This depends entirely on how fast dark energy is accelerating the expansion of the universe. If dark energy keeps getting stronger, the Big Rip could happen sooner. If it stays constant, it might never happen at all. So how likely is the Big Rip actually? The honest answer is, we don't know for sure. Dark energy is still one of the biggest mysteries in physics. We don't fully understand what it is or how it behaves over time. Most current data suggests that the expansion is accelerating, but whether it will keep accelerating forever is still uncertain. Right now, the Big Rip is considered possible, but not the most likely scenario according to many physicists. The Big Rip is just one of several possible endings for the universe. There are others. One possibility is the Big Crunch, where gravity eventually pulls everything back together into a single point. Another theory is heat death, where the universe expands forever, becomes extremely cold, and all energy is evenly spread out. Right now, the heat death scenario is actually considered more likely than the Big Rip by many scientists. The truth is, we still don't know how the universe will end. But thinking about it helps us understand our place in it. Whether it ends in a rip, a crunch, or a slow fade into nothing, one thing is certain: the universe is far stranger and more dramatic than we once thought. Thank you for watching. If this video made you think about the future of everything, hit like and subscribe for more mind-bending science. See you in the next one.